Hi lovelies, welcome back to Wardrobe Wednesday for week 8. Last week, as I promised when I talked about style code being the missing key to having a minimal capsule organised wardrobe, I promised that I would cover my style code. So what I'm going to do each week is I'm going to cover each element of my style code, explain how with that I create a capsule wardrobe, how I do so for clients. The reason I wanted to do this instead of just keep giving you more reasons to tidy, more reasons to throw more clothes out. Across the 6 weeks we covered so many things you can do to minimise and declutter your wardrobe, but what I'm hearing a lot from you with regards to your feedback, your messages and your pictures, you're making great progress. You've threw loads of clothes out, which is great, you've minimised your wardrobe, but you now may just have less clothes but still have a lot of confusion. So there still might be, from what's left, an array of colours, an array of prints, an array of styles. You still might be putting outfits together and thinking, oh, I need that to finish it off. Or you still might be wanting to throw more clothes out, but you don't really know which ones and why. My personal style for my style code. Now in style code I take into consideration two things. I say personality code and postcode. So postcode is where you live, what you do for work, your lifestyle, your environment. Second thing is obviously you, your personality. Who are you as a person? What do you want to reflect? You want to look like you want your wardrobe to look like you, but there are some factors you have to take into account, like where you live, and obviously your work as well. Now my style is very much what I would call in style code a London classic. London classic, like it says on the tin, is timeless, is classic. I like to invest in classic pieces. I like to look current, but I wouldn't just buy something because it was on trend. I also flow into what's called Milano Glamour. So it's a little bit bolder and sophisticated Milano Glamour. It's a more dramatic take on a classic style, luxurious textures, colours and prints. So I like things like, I add a little bit of leopard with the calf skin, I like croc skin effects and materials. Even the fact that my engagement ring is an emerald, it's a little bit more glam. So basically my style's been very much classic and glam, but it is evolving. I am becoming very minimal, a little bit more relaxed in my style, a little bit more refined. So I'm going to be moving more London classic into New York City chic. And I use capitals for the style codes for my clients because each of the style personalities represents one of the fashion capitals, and it embodies that whole place, the style, the brands, the lifestyle. London classic, yes, is very much me because I am classic. I'm about long-term investments. I don't like fast fads and trends. Coordinated, but the New York City chic is a little bit more current, a little bit more modern, which is what I do want and like. I am moving into less faffy, and also a little bit more refined. This is a perfect example of something last week when I was off. I re-detoxed my wardrobe, and this is a pencil skirt that's classic, but the colour is very bold and the ruffle is very faffy, so it's quite dramatic, it's quite glam. For me, I would now not do both. The colour is bold enough for me without the big ruffle, and I just felt like it wasn't me anymore. So this is an example of how you can evolve in your style. I just wanted to show you that. So there are a lot of things in my wardrobe now that reflect where my style is moving and are still very classic, but now moving forward that I know where my style is going and what my secondary style is and how I'm evolving. I know exactly what I want to invest in. I know next what my wardrobe needs. And when you look across my wardrobe now, I have a wardrobe that looks like my style code, and it's separated by tops, jackets, bottoms, jeans, dresses. It's not, this is my work wardrobe. It's not, this is my casual wardrobe. And what people can do before style code, which is what I think is massive for creating a capsule wardrobe that is minimal and looks like this, is people attach style personalities to each area of their life. So when I'm at work, I'm this style personality, I'm quite classic. When I am an occasion and I'm going to a wedding, I'm more this style personality. When I'm casual, I am this style personality. In your wardrobe looks like 4 or 5 different personalities. Same with colour palettes. If you don't have a colour code, whatever colours are on trend, whatever colours you're attracted to, like I used to be attracted to muted beiges and neutrals, and they just made me look completely drained, but I was attracted to them, and each of those styles that I was attracted to in the past as well would represent different colours. And this is how your wardrobe just gets a mishmash of everything, you know, what you like, what you're attracted to, what's in fashion. And a capsule wardrobe is about a lot more than just buying less and throwing out more clothes. This is what makes it possible to create what is the base of the colours, the patterns, the prints, the brands, the shapes, the styles, and then obviously how you organise your wardrobe. I come to my wardrobe and I think, today I am going out for a coffee, so I'm going to wear this with this whatever. I don't come to a wardrobe going, I'm going out for a coffee, I need to go to my casual wardrobe. This is one wardrobe that all works together. Yes, I need to add a lot more in now that I've decluttered. It helped me see that, made me say I need a bit more colour from my palette. It's made me see that I need a little bit more in terms of bags and tops, but that is how it helps, instead of just going out and thinking, I need some new clothes, I'm going to buy whatever I'm attracted to. And it is just so much less overwhelming. I think as you get older, and I find this a lot with my clients, we're about maturing our style, become a little bit more effortless, a little bit more simple and sophisticated. I hope you've enjoyed that. Tune in next week for week 9, where I'll be covering my body code, the benefits of it, how it makes an impact on your wardrobe, shopping and creating a capsule. And I look forward to seeing you then.